can, okay, hello, we are now broadcasting. And I will just go through and read what we put so far. Questions 1 and 2 are true. Question 3, we got the proportion, or we got C, the third choice. Question 4, we put the third choice, which is the only difference between a bar and Pareto chart is the bars in Pareto chart are ordered largest to smallest, left to right. Question 5, we got true proportion for the sample proportion. We got, for question 6, we put the sample size. For question 7, we put 40. For question 8, we put 0.4. Question 9, 0.1. Question 10, 0.35. Question 11, 0.46, 0.046. And then for question 12, that's where we are, right?
Right.
So what did you guys get for the Z-score?
I had put 1.087, but that was
With the rounded.
a rounded standard deviation.
I got 1.091 without rounding. Does that work for you guys?
That is a very good technocrat work.
What's that?
Oh, I mean, you did a very good technocrat work.
I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing wrong.
Well, I don't think I'm gonna.
Okay, you don't understand what I mean.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I mean, you are very smart to come up with the idea that let me run through the answers that we have already mentioned since you've not recorded it or you were not recording earlier.
Well, I just feel like if we at least have it recorded, then nobody
Get
can
it all
argue
on the record.
Right. Exactly. It's got to be recorded. Thank you.
Can you guys, just so I can write this down correctly, because I don't feel like I got the right answer for 12, what was your equation?
I have that Z equals 0.35 minus 0.3 divided by 0.0458257, which is the unrounded standard deviation.
I am getting this really random number and I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing.
Do I have this formula right? Is anybody?
Yes, I think that the formula is set up right, but I am
Okay.
not comfortable putting
Oh, there we go.
the unrounded number in the standard deviation because he asked us to round it up above. But why would they not tell us? You know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
But rounded it, you were able to get the correct answer.
Well, we'll see.
You said, Meredith, you said in the homework, if you unrounded it, you were able to get the correct answer, and that's the only way you got it?
On 9 I did. On 13 I still couldn't get the right answer, either rounded or unrounded.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, and I'll tell you, at the top of this quiz, it says do not round until your calculation is complete.
So don't round it. So do the unrounded standard deviation.
That's how I take that.
Yeah. How frustrating. Because in the past, I don't know. Okay, just a second. So wait, what did you guys get for your answer then for 12?
I have 1.091.
91. Okay. Okay. I wonder if this is one of those things where he's going to let us have a range, because I don't know.
I'm not sure. I'll be the first one to submit, and then I'll let you know if I did it wrong.
Well,
You can-
It's pretty dang close. It's pretty close. But
Right.
1.091. Okay. All right. Should we move on? Or is
Yep.
everybody comfortable with that? Okay. All right. I don't know whose turn it is.
I don't either.
I did
Do you want to go,
12.
Julius?
What
Okay.
is it, my 10?
Yes.
Okay.
13.
What 13? What is the probability? Hey, sorry. What is the probability Britannia get at least 35 hits in her next 100 at bats run to 3 decimal places? Sometimes I do struggle with some of these names.
Brittany.
It's okay.
It's an
Brittany.
interesting
How do you pronounce that?
spelling. It's Brittany,
it
but it's an
Brittany?
interesting spelling of Brittany. Yes,
Oh.
Brittany.
All right. I think I have to start teaching all those burgers so that I can master the
You don't need to do
pronunciation.
these silly American names.
All right.
Okay.
I, I am thinking the answer will be 0.138. That is what I got anyway.
I
But
think I
I'm
did
not
it wrong
sure
the
of
first
myself.
time.
Well,
So
we
we
rounded
wanted
it
to
up, but
More than 35. So you're just doing the right tail of the thing, right?
Okay.
The right side
No,
of
well,
the
it's
Z-square.
asking that she gets at least 35. So I would say the far left tail.
Okay.
We
No?
want to determine the probability she will get more than 35 hits. Am I the wrong one? No,
Well, but
okay.
the question on 13 says that she gets at least 35 hits. So this confused me.
Well, that would be 35 or more, right?
Yeah.
At least 35.
Yeah, see, I did it the other way first, where I did the left of the Z-score.
Mm-hmm. But this is saying at least, so that's up to 35. I
what's
don't know.
35 or better? So I would think that's still our more than.
Yeah, because it's asking two different things. More than 35 is not the same as at least 35, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, no, that'd be the same thing. Even though she gets at least 35. So 35 or 36 or 37 or 38, right? At least 35.
Mm-hmm.
That would be everything over 35. that's
So are
the
we
same
going
as
to
the-
highlight the two right sides? The middle and the right? Far right?
No, it would just be the
Just
right
the-
of the Z-score.
Okay.
So I think Julius has it right. I think it's 0.137. Yeah, 138.
It's 0.1385, wasn't it?
Well, I have 0.1376.
Oh, that's right. I'm sorry. It's because I entered the because my
previous
Z-score changed. Yeah.
changed. Yeah. So 0.137.
It'd round up to 138.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Hey, we get
Whew.
2 tries. We get 2 tries.
Yeah.
Breathe. It's okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Need the reminder. Okay. So question 14, is that my turn?
I think
Yeah.
so.
Okay. What if the true proportion, I'm just going to read do you want me to read the whole thing?
Please.
Only if we differ. Then we
Okay.
can go back.
If the true proportion of people who support a political candidate is P equals 0.52, and if N equals 2,000 people, and if 2,000 people are surveyed, we want to determine the probability that the results of the survey will suggest the candidate is losing the election, getting less than 50% of the votes. What is the standard deviation of P hat? I put 0.011.
Me too.
Okay. Yay, we got that one right.
Hopefully.
Julius,
Hopefully.
are you good?
Julius?
Is it my turn?
No, I just
Well,
want
what
to get you to get that answer.
Is it
on
my turn?
14? Well, we were wondering if you were okay with 0.011 for question 14.
Yes, I got
Okay.
the same.
Okay. Yeah, now
Okay.
it's Jody's turn.
All right, so for my z-score, because I did not have to do any rounding, right? With the standard deviation in the last instance, it was 0.11. I got negative 1.818.
I have negative 1.79.
All
Let
right,
me double check my math.
so
I
it's
also got 1.79.
okay.
1.79.
So you have 0.50 minus 0.52
Right, divided
and
by
divided that by 0.0111713.
oh,
Okay, I did the same thing because I didn't do the standard deviation. You know what I mean? Like I had rounded. So I need to.
0.52. I just wrote the standard deviation wrong.
Yeah. Oh. That'll do it too.
That would okay. Why do I sometimes get these crazy answers? I get like I plug it in and I'll get like a negative 46. I'm like, what? Where did that come from? I don't know what I'm hitting on my calculator. Okay, so what did you guys get?
Negative 1.79.
Okay, how long was your standard deviation? To how, like, did you just do the
Unrounded?
whole thing? Yeah.
Unrounded.
Yeah, 0.0111713.
So I'm wondering if I'm just not entering in enough.
If you don't hit equals between the top, like subtracting the things and then dividing, you will get a weird old 46 something or other. I just
Okay.
tried that. If on my phone, if I don't hit the equal
Yeah.
sign, then yeah, in between each step.
Okay. Because I'm like, I am getting crazy answers here, and then I'll redo
My calculator
it.
will do it automatically, but my phone won't. My phone will just, yeah.
Okay, good to know. Thank you. I was like, how am I getting that? So I was able to get the negative 1.79.
Okay. So 16 is my turn, right?
Yes.
Yes.
What's the probability? What's the probability the survey results will show the candidate is losing, even though the true p equals 0.52, round to 3? So we put that I'm just going to double check mine. Negative 1.79. And we want to go left of that because we're doing less than. So our p is 0.037. Round.
3.7. Yes.
Yeah,
0.037.
but we round it.
Rounded up.
Okay, so sorry. Can you say that one more time? I had some interference with that.
Oh, the p is a little bit unrounded is 0.0367.
Uh-huh.
But we'll round it to 0.037.
Yep. Okay.
Yes, that's what I got to.
All right, I'm going to submit mine and tell you if I steered you wrong on the rounding thing.
No, I think that's right. It's just different.
100%.
I'm
We're
scared of it.
good.
Wow.
You guys did it again.
Good job.
No,
I'm just going to assume that number 13 on the homework is just written wrong.
I'm just irritated because I
Good
feel like we should have. I mean, I feel like you calculate the standard deviation and you round it to 3. So why are they having us unround it again? You know, it's almost not fair.
Most of the time, you won't round things like that. It's just because they're asking it as one separate question, so you have to round it.
So never lose hope. Never forget what that was. Write it down every time, just in case a couple of questions later it asks you.
Write down your 6 number
Standard deviation.
every time. Because it does matter. Because with that Z-score in 15, I wasn't entering in the full standard deviation. I was doing just 3 and it wasn't pulling up the right number.
Yeah.
I had to do the 713 at the end.
Yeah.
So
So
fun.
frustrating. I'm frustrated with this, quite honestly. I'm like irritated that it's not. I don't know. It didn't.
Yeah,
I
this
don't
one
feel like
wasn't
it clarified.
explained as well as the other lessons.
Yeah.
No. Well, and did you guys have, when I